Okay, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. This is the Teacher Manuel, IBDP Math Academy. This is my video. So this is the question I'm going to do right now. So it's a very good question. It's HRAA. So IBDP HRAA. Very good one. So let us start. Let us dive in and see how can we approach the question. By the way, before you do it, you can pause the video and try the question first, okay? It's a 7-marker question. They give you a hint of how to approach the question. So they're asking you, they even told you, sure, that when you do integration of this, the answer will be this one. Are you ready? So let us start, okay? Now, this is a question about integration related to the integration of inverse of trigonometric equations. So let us start the question and see. What do we have? We have x squared equals 2 sec theta, right? Okay, this is what we have as a starting point. Now, so I hope you fully understand implicit differentiation and the differentiation of trigonometric ratios. So if you are not familiar with that, please first check your formula booklet and first review implicit differentiation. That's when you're going to fully understand what I'm going to do here. Now, to understand, so I have to do implicit differentiation. What the derivative of x squared? It is the 2x, but I'm doing the derivative of this with respect to theta. So it's going to be dx over d theta, right? Because it's implicit differentiation equals 2. What's the derivative of sec theta, guys? Check your formula booklet. It's going to be 2 sec theta. From your formula booklet, you can check that, okay? Tan theta, right? Okay, very good. Now, when I reach here, I need to make this theta the subject. I need to make that the subject. So it's going to be, this is times here, so it's going to be the x equals 2 theta tan theta, right? Okay. So I multiplied the theta the other side. So I'll have the theta here, then over 2x. Okay, good. It's coming. Now, after getting the x, I can put it here. Can you see I have the x here and I have it here. The aim is to make sure that in this question, I have only theta. I don't have x anywhere. That's the aim. That's what you should be aiming to get. Okay. Now, so if I go to my question, I'm going to have integration. Okay, before I do that, I can try to rearrange some things. Now, I have x squared, and then I have x power 4. So if x squared is this, what about x power 4? It's going to be 4 sec squared theta, right? I hope you understand that. Because x squared is this. So, and then this is x power 4. X power 4 is x squared, right? Like this. So, which means I have to square this as well. So if I square that, gives me that, okay? Very good. Let me substitute in my formula and then you see what happens next. That is dx is this. 2, by the way, here I would have simplified first. So that means I don't have 2 anymore there. So I can simplify this one and this. Okay, so what do I get? I'll get sec theta tan theta altogether there, d theta, right? Okay, over x. But also there is x here. So that means to give me x squared. Okay, let me keep there x squared. Okay, I have to move x squared at some point. So square root of x power 4, I already have its value. The value of that is the, if you remember, it is 4 sec squared theta, right? Okay, minus 4. Okay, very good. I still have this one. I have to get rid of x squared so that I can be able to integrate. But if you remember here, x squared is the 2 sec theta. So that means here, I'm going to have integration of sec theta, right? I hope you understand what I'm doing, guys. Tan. If there's something you don't understand, write in the comments. I will explain. Don't worry. I enjoy teaching. It's my passion. Okay, over 2 sec 2 sec theta, right? Square root of 4 sec squared theta minus 4. Okay, very good. Okay, things have started making sense. So, what about this? This one cancels out with that, right? Okay, now, what I have underscore sign? 4 is common, right? Did you see that? I can factorize 4. So, but if I factorize 4, it's under square root sign. So when I take it outside, it will be 2. So 2 times 2, what do I get? I'll get integration of tan theta, the theta, guys. I hope you get what I'm doing here. Okay. Over 4 square root of what? Square root of sec squared minus 1. Okay, I hope, let me repeat one more time to make sure you understand. This is this 4 here and this 4, they are common. I factorize the 4. So I have square root of 4 bracket sec squared theta minus 1. Now, square root of 4 will give me 2 square root of sec squared theta minus 1. And then this 2, there was this 2 here. So when I multiply, I get 4, right? I hope you understand what I'm done. Very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, what happens next now? What happens next? Now, you need to remember some trigonometric identities. What is 1 plus tan squared, sorry, my bad, tan squared theta? It's equal to sec squared theta, right? So what about now tan squared? Tan squared will be equal to sec squared theta minus 1. Am I talking to someone here? So that means what? Instead of having sec squared here, there's theta minus. Okay? Instead of having sec squared theta, I can put there tan squared. Okay? So what do I get now? It's going to give me integration of tan theta d theta, right? Okay. All of this for square root of tan squared theta, right? Okay, I hope you understand. I've replaced this by this because they are equal. Now, what's square root of tan squared? It will give me integration of tan theta, good question, right? Over 4 tan theta, right? The theta here. What happens? Tan theta cancels with tan theta, right? Do you see that? Okay. So what do I remain with? I'm going to remain with what stays? Okay. Wow. Very interesting question. I like that question. It's amazing. So it's going to be integration of 1 over 4 d theta, right? Okay. So what's integration of that? Integration of that will be theta over 4 plus c. Okay. Okay, I haven't finished yet, but I'm almost there. Check. Okay. Now, The question we are integrating is in terms of x, but I have it in terms theta. Okay, tan theta. So what do? This is what you have to remember. Go back to the idea. Where did we start from? We started from here. X squared equals to 2 sec theta, right? Okay. Now, from here, I can make theta the subject, and then I go back to my question. So, good. Keep this one in mind. I'll get back to that. So, it is the end here. Now, I'll divide by 2 both sides. I'll get x squared over 2 equals to sec theta, right? What is sec? What is sec, guys? Sec is 1 over cos. That means here I'll have x squared over 2 equals to 1 over cos theta. Am I talking to someone here? Now, cross multiply, I'll get, so cos theta, very good. I hope we are very good mathematicians, which will give me 2 over x squared, right? Are we together here? Now, what about theta? Theta is going to be arc cos bracket 2 over x squared, right? Good. But I have theta over that. That means my final answer is going to be 1 over 4, because I've got the value of theta, arc cos 2 over x squared plus c. Can we check? They told me to show. Let me check. If I have, what I have is the same thing. So the answer they have is 1 over 4 arc cos 2 over 3, 2 over x squared plus c. Is that what I have? Yes, got it. How many marks? 7 marks. Very good question. Thank you very much. Like, share, comment. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me. If there's a step I skip, please, you can ask, write a comment, then I will explain any step that you didn't understand. Any question you want me to do, any topic you want me to explain, I'm always ready. Teaching is my passion. I enjoy teaching more than anything. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching the video. So very good. Okay. Thank you.